I've heard it all. Our conversations got me feeling I'm the fool. Like I should've listened when they said that you would treat me like he did. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, welcome. For my returning subscribers, hey fam, how's it going? I hope all is well with you guys. So for this video, I am going to be installing and just showing you guys how I install the wig that I'm currently wearing. So this is a wig from Amazon. The vendor on Amazon is ALLMAY, and this is a 22-inch lace front wig. It is a 13x4 lace front wig, and this wig, honestly, it's pretty good. Like, it's so thick. Like, I'm surprised how thick and full it feels. It feels very soft. It's 22 inches, so it is pretty long, and installing this wasn't too bad. Like, it was very easy. It came with a pre-plucked hairline and baby hairs, which, guys, I'm telling you, that saves you so much time and energy when it comes pre-plucked, because that's one less thing you have to do. You're not worrying about the hairline, or when you part it, looking very bumpy and just wiggy. So I really like that. But one other thing about this wig, the only thing I would say you might want to do if you're going to wear this wig, you might want to bleach the knots on the wig before installing it. I did not, so if you look, you can kind of see the knots on the lace. But if you're not someone who's like really particular about that, then you don't have to. But if you're like super particular, I would recommend bleaching the knots. I've personally never done that, but I do want to try doing one of these days. So I might take this wig off. Like, I did install it just because I wanted, like, you know, see how it looked and everything, but I might take it off and bleach the knots and reinstall it to see if I like it a lot better, and just testing out bleaching knots, because I've heard it's not that easy and you can easily like over bleach your lace, which is not something you want to do. But yes, so I'm going to let you guys see how I install this, and I'll come back at the end for a little debrief.
I just want you to focus. Pull me in, pull me closer. Give me that diagnosis. Blow my mind like explosions. Just one touch leaves me helpless. On repeat like it's endless. That she's turned to a white dress. Looks so good, damn, you did this, yeah. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love. I just want you to focus. Gotta keep your composure like you tryna earn that diploma. Do it over and over, yeah. Make it pop Coca-Cola. Keep it hot Barcelona. Bitch, she's turned to a white dress. Looks so good when I'm naked, yeah. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my
So if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching and for sticking around. As always, I will have the details on this wig in my description box, as well as the link to it on Amazon. It'll be on my storefront, so make sure you guys check out my storefront because I have all the wigs that I have reviewed on my storefront, and I do earn a small commission if you do buy something from my storefront. This is obviously shameless plug because we're trying to make some money, but we can both win. If you really want to try the wig, you can get it, and you can also help me earn a little bit of money. You know, we're both winning here. But as always, I am going to give the wig a rating. So if I were to rate this, I would give it a 4 out of 5. I really think the only reason I'm holding out on giving it a 5 is because of the knots, and I know for some people that is something that they don't really like. So for me, I would say a 4 out of 5 because of that. But otherwise, it is a pretty good wig. Like I said, it comes with a pre-plucked hairline, baby hairs. It's very long as well, and it's very thick and full. Like, I really can't stop touching the wig because I'm like so impressed by like how full it is, especially for like a straight wig. Like, it is very full. It's not looking flimsy. You guys know how I feel. I do not like wigs that have a low hair density because it just looks so like thin, and I'm like, that's not cute. I like my wigs to look full bodied. Yes, she's thick. But I 100% would recommend this wig. It is very beginner friendly, like super beginner friendly. You guys know I'm not a professional when it comes to like installing wigs and just doing hair in general. So if I can do this, you guys can do this too. So very beginner friendly. And as always, I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you're liking this video if you like this type of content. Leave a comment down below. How do you feel about the wig? Would you get it? And make sure you are subscribing to my channel for more videos like these and other things beauty related. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
A white dress, looks so good when I'm naked, yeah. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus